Welcome to Hair by Shaunda's Chair. Today's client found me on TikTok. Shout out to TikTok. As you can see, she's suffering from alopecia. So I shampooed, blow dried, and gave her a nice trim. She requested a bob quick weave, so that's what she's gonna get. I also noticed that she has a little spot on the top here, so I figured that I'll get creative and give her a semi-shaved look. I love it when my girls come in and trust my creativity. So now that I got that all cut down, I'm gonna mold it. And she's braided, and I'm going to apply this 30-second weave wonder wrap, which is used to prevent the bonding glue from getting on her hair. I forgot to mention what kind of hair I'm using, but she brought in some Remy Empire hair, and I loved it because it was so easy to cut with my razor. So now I'm all finished, and here's the final result. She said it's her birthday, y'all. Y'all got to give her a birthday shout out. Look at that bob. Perfect, honey. Perfection, honey. So did I change her life or what? Yes, make sure you follow Hair by Shaunda for more videos. I'm located in Las Vegas.